Hello guys, welcome back to J Studio, and in this video we'll be doing a comparison video of two action cam, the Mi F4K action cam and the Extreme Campark Extreme 4K X30 action cam. So both reports 4K but price at different price. So let's do the comparison. Starting with the sensor itself, the Mi 4K action cam comes with a 16 megapixel Sony sensor, while this Extreme 4K comes with a 20 megapixel Sony sensor. So the sensor quality is kind of good with this Mi action cam. This is also good, but comparing with these two, I think this Mi action cam have got a better sensor, better quality video and better quality output. Even though this have a 20 megapixel, the output is not that much clear. Also the low light condition, photography and videography, Mi action cam does a job pretty good. Comparing the size, as you can see, the Mi action cam is kind of big as compared to the Extreme 4K, because also you can see the screen size is pretty big with this Mi action cam. And this Extreme 4K have got a matte finish screen guard applied on this screen, and this screen is small as compared to this Mi action cam 4K. Both have a kind of same pixel size on the screen. Both have touch screen also. Coming to the other features, kind of switches and connectivity. In the Mi action cam, we have only one button. This acts as the power button, the shutter button, the video starting and stopping button. Everything is done with this single button. But coming to this the Extreme 4K, the Campark Extreme 4K, we have kind of many switches. On the top we have the shutter button, that is we can take picture, start and stop video, and on the front we have this power button, and on the side we have a navigation button also, up and down. So this is kind of interesting, because if you use a case, that is a waterproof case, the waterproof case also have that button option. So without opening the case, we can we can shift from photo, time lapse, video or anything. We can choose many options like this. So this is not available with this Mi action cam because of the single button, but 4 buttons are available with this Extreme 4K. Coming to the battery size, this Mi action cam 4K have got a 1450 mAh battery, but this Extreme 4K have got a 1350 mAh battery. So kind of 100 mAh difference, but still this one have got a smaller size screen and a smaller size sensor. So I think this will not make that much difference with this 100 mAh difference. So battery capacity is almost same, but the charging time is different, kind of small different, almost a half hour more for charging with this Mi action cam 4K. And coming to the accessories, we will get two batteries with this Extreme 4K along with an extra charger. So we can charge the battery inside this one, and also the other battery with the extra charger provided. So but with the Mi action cam 4K, there is no extra battery, there is no extra charger, only one battery and this action cam itself. Anyway, now just do the physical comparison. So on the top we have got a power button, the shutter button, also here we have a shutter button and also an LED indicator, and the speaker here. Here also a mic, a speaker here. On both these almost similar. On the front side we get a sensor on both same position, and we have a power button on this Campark Extreme V, and also LED indicator on Mi action cam 4K. On the bottom side we have a holder here and also the opening for battery. But in this Mi action cam 4K we have the battery here, and also the memory card goes here. So the memory card is kind of protected in my opinion with this Mi action cam 4K, but in Extreme V you can see that memory card goes here. So coming to the connectivity, in Extreme V we have a micro USB port here for charging and data transferring, and we have the small HD out, so we can connect this cable to our TV or any other display device, so that we can stream directly from this action cam. So kind of handy option with this Extreme V. But here there is no HD output port here, but we have only a micro USB port, but with a lid that open and close. This is kind of interesting because this is kind of protection, but here there is no covering and there is no protection for the memory card, also the ports. So that's kind of disappointing. And on the right side we have the button and speaker here, but on this here the Mi action cam 4K there is no button and speaker here. The speaker is here. So we have two speakers. So this is not speaker, this is actually the microphone, and only a single microphone is there with this Extreme 4K Extreme V. but here we have two microphones. So this one here and also this one. So two mics are there with this Mi Action Cam 4K. So this is the complete physical comparison of this Mi Action Cam 4K and Xtreme V. But as compared, I think Xtreme V is pretty good in my opinion because of the extra buttons, extra HD out option. Kind of interesting and kind of very small in hand, as you can see. Very handy, the Xtreme V, and lot of option. Coming to the pricing, there is a big difference because Mi Action Cam 4K is priced at almost 12,000 rupees, and sadly there is no stock available in Amazon and Flipkart. And if you just pay 12,000 rupees, you will get only this action cam and a battery. So no other accessories, no waterproof case, no accessories are included with this box. Only an action cam and a battery. And so you think this is a single battery device. But coming to the Xtreme V, this is a big surprise because it is priced at just 8,500 rupees. For this 8,500 rupees, you will get an action cam, okay, a waterproof case, okay, extra battery. So we get two batteries, an extra charging port, charging dock, and lot of accessories, kind of all accessories that we are needed with this Action Cam 4 Action Cam mounts. All accessories are available with this Xtreme.